Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 8th August 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 10 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. Quit India Day is observed every year on. Answer is 8th August. Every year, the Quit India Day or August Kranti Day is observed on 8th August to commemorate the anniversary of Quit India movement launched by Father of Nation Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi on 8th August 1942 at the All India Congress Committee session in Bombay. In 2024, we are celebrating the 82nd anniversary of Quit India Day. Quit India movement, also known as Bharat Chodo Andolan and August Kranti movement, was a do or die call to the people of India initiated by Gandhiji. Question number 2. India has started its first multinational air exercise, Taranga Shakti 2024, in. Answer is Tamil Nadu. India is hosting its first multinational air exercise, Taranga Shakti 2024, from 6th August to 14th September. The first phase is being held from 6th to 14th August in Sular, Tamil Nadu, and the second phase will be held from 29th August to 14th September in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. In this exercise, 30 countries are participated, and out of 30, 10 countries joined the exercise with their fighter aircraft. Question number 3. Who became first Indian woman wrestler to reach an Olympic final? Answer is Vinesh Fogart. The 29-year-old Vinesh Fogart on 6 August 2024 reached an Olympic final. She achieved this after a 5-0 victory over Cuba's Yusnilis Guzman Lopez in the women's freestyle 50 kg semi-final at the Paris 2024 Olympics. Her win has guaranteed India of a silver medal. Sakshi Malik, the only other woman wrestler to win an Olympic medal for India, had clinched a bronze medal at Rio 2016. Question number 4. Which state government has launched the Upasthiti portal to ensure healthcare attendance? Answer is Jharkhand. On 5th August 2024, Hemant Soren, the Chief Minister of Jharkhand, launched the Upasthiti portal to ensure daily attendance of doctors, paramedical staff, and other employees under the health department. The initiative aims to enhance healthcare facilities and make district hospitals operational 24/7. The cross-verification of biometric attendance by health department staff will be done through this portal. Question number 5. A crater on the moon's south pole has been named after whom? Answer is Pasang Lhamu Sherpa. A crater on the moon's south pole has been named Lhamu after Pasang Lhamu Sherpa, the first Nepali woman to summit Mount Everest. The International Astronomical Union approved to name the crater as Lhamu Crater on 29 July 2024. On 22 April 1993, Pasang Lhamu made mountaineering history by becoming the first Nepalese woman to successfully reach the summit of the world's highest peak. Question number 6. Which state's Adichunchanagiri Sanctuary was declared as Peacock Sanctuary? Answer is Karnataka. Union Minister Bhupender Yadav announced that the central government has declared the Adichunchanagiri Sanctuary in Karnataka and Chulanur Sanctuary in Kerala as peacock sanctuaries. The Adichunchanagiri Peacock Sanctuary is located in Mandya district in Karnataka, was established in 1981. The area is about 88.4 hectares. The Chulnur Peacock Sanctuary was established on 14 March 1996 as Chulannur Peafowl Sanctuary. This is first peacock sanctuary of India. Question number 7. Who has launched the EDHCR portal for reporting judgments of Delhi High Court? Answer is D.Y. Chandrachud. Chief Justice of India Dr. Dhananjaya Yeshwant, D.Y. Chandrachud, has launched the EDHCR portal, a new platform dedicated to reportable judgments from the Delhi High Court. The EDHCR portal is a new user-friendly official platform for reporting the judgments of the Delhi High Court and contains over 2,000 judgments rendered by the Delhi High Court from 2007 to May 2024. Question number 8. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the State Bank of India, SBI? Answer is Challa Srinivasulu Sethi. On 6 August 2024, the Appointments Committee of the Cabinet approved the appointment of Challa Srinivasulu Sethi as the chairman of the State Bank of India, SBI. Sethi, currently the senior-most managing director of SBI, will assume the role on 28 August 2024, succeeding Dinesh Kumar Khara, who will retire upon reaching the age limit of 63 for the position. Question number 9. Which High Court has recently declared Section 77A unconstitutional? Answer is Madras High Court. The Madras High Court has recently ruled that Section 77A of the Registration Act 1908 is unconstitutional. Section 77A, introduced to the central enactment by way of a 2022 state amendment, granted district registrars the power to cancel documents related to immovable property if they were found to have been registered through fraud or on submission of forged revenue records. Question number 10. The first edition of the BIMSTEC Business Summit was held in. Answer is New Delhi. The first edition of the Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation, BIMSTEC Business Summit, was held from 6 to 8 August in New Delhi. The Business Summit will be inaugurated by External Affairs Minister Dr.S. Jaishankar. The summit aims to foster greater regional collaboration through robust trade and investment relations among the member countries of the BIMSTEC. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.